Hey you guys, it's Nina B back with another video. Today's video is a quick tutorial on how to remove dirt buildup and knots safely from braids. So let's go. So in this video, I'm using apple cider vinegar, about a cup of water, and a generous amount of peppermint oil. And why did I choose to use peppermint oil? It's because it has some great benefits, such as improving your blood circulation to your scalp. It has cooling properties. It provides relief from scalp conditions such as dandruff, itching, and inflammation. It also adds shine to your hair as well. ACV helps balance the pH balance of your scalp. It cleanses and clarifies your scalp by removing buildup, and it also promotes softness and shine to your hair as well. So I thought that was an awesome combo to removing these knots from my hair after these braids have been installed for about 2 months. So here, after making that mixture, shaking it with a spray bottle really well, as you can see, I just spray the concoction in my hair and you literally see the knot melt away. After that, I just twist it really good and you guys will see my braid really juicy and detangled, and that's what us all naturals want, those results. So it's quick, straight to the point. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I see you in the next video. Until then, peace.